Welcome to ONEiO's guide on integrating ServiceNow and Jira, Part 2. Start by creating a ServiceNow endpoint in ONEiO. Head to the Endpoints tab and click Plus New Endpoint. Scroll through our list of readily available endpoints and select ServiceNow. After naming the endpoint, log into ServiceNow and copy your ServiceNow root address from the address bar in your browser. Select the correct time zone and hit Create. Now you're ready to configure ServiceNow. Visit the ONEiO Help Center article titled How to Configure ServiceNow for Integration with ONEiO. Navigate to the section on Dynamic Update Sets and follow the steps to download the update set XML file. Navigate to the Retrieved Update Sets window and import the XML. Next, preview the update set and commit. ServiceNow has all the components ready to start sending REST messages to ONEiO. So let's configure these for our production environment. Navigate to REST Messages and open ONEiO REST Messages. We're going to make some changes to the authentication profile, so hit Preview and open the record. Rename the profile and head back to ONEiO to copy the username and generate a new password. Now we can remove the word test from the endpoint URL and hit Update. When we reopen ONEiO REST Messages, open the test authentication message and hit the test link on the left. The 202 status lets us know that the test was successful. Now, on the ONEiO side, open the message feed from the tab on the left to inspect the message. Please note, the update set provided by ONEiO contains ServiceNow business rules for incident management. You can duplicate these rules as a template for other ticket types. So ServiceNow can send messages to ONEiO, but let's flip things around. To enable communication from ONEiO to ServiceNow, we need to create a ServiceNow user account for ONEiO. Head to User Administration and create a new user. Name the user ONEiO and select the following boxes. We're going to assign the user some roles, so open the user profile and hit Edit. ITIL should be enough for most cases. Now set a password for the user and remember to save it. Copy that password and paste it into the password field of the ServiceNow endpoint on ONEiO. Now that ONEiO has ServiceNow user credentials, bi-directional communication is possible. Hit save and we're done. Enjoy the benefits of a connected ITSM ecosystem.